Hey guys, this is Pokemon Hunter, and we're gonna continue with our Hidden Fates booster opening. Last time, we got a Silvally. This was my second Silvally pulled. Doesn't matter, because shiny GX cards are all welcome in my collection. So, even though they are repeats, so to say. So, hopefully, we can get some decent in these two packs today. I think we're gonna start with the Charizard one. What are the odds of pulling a Charizard, a shiny Charizard? Is it like 1 in 1,000 packs or something? I sure as hell don't want to open 1,000 packs before I get the Charizard, that's for sure. Let's guess the energy. I'm gonna guess it's water. Ah, psychic. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Giovanni's Exile. Koga's Trap. Voltorb. Geodude. Pikachu. Clefairy. Cubone. And a reverse holo EV. This is my first one. Come on, focus. Here we go. Cool. And a holographic EV. This one's really cool. Look. So, one reverse holo EV and a holo EV. Nice. That's Muck, right? Voltorbs everywhere. Or is it just one Voltorb and Pokeballs? Is that Pidgeotto or Pidgeotto? Can't really tell. Cool! Eevee is one of my favorite basic Pokemons. Nice. We're gonna put these beautiful cards right here. Cool. So now for the Mew booster pack. Grass Energy. Oh, now it's water. Damn it. Graveler. Farfetch'd. I think this is my first Farfetch'd. Brock Squid. Definitely not my first. Cubone. Eevee. Clefairy. Sayai. Ekans. A reverse holo Charmeleon. And a regular rare Lapras. So no GX cards this time, but we got 2 reverse holos, 1 Eevee and 1 Charmeleon, and a holo Eevee. Cool. I'm pretty happy with these pulls. I understand that you can't get a GX every time, so yeah, happy. Well, that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching, and see you later.